Aloha everybody, I'm Cheryl Hamilton from Create with Cheryl, and I'm excited to show you my September creative card class. And this class focuses on the bundle Sunrise Sailing. And this is one of my favorites. I love to sail, have lots of great memories, and I think a lot of you will enjoy this set too. Now what's included with mine is you'll get it. I'll show you the 4 cards that these will be all prepped for you, but you need to do your own stamping. Let me see, here's one of them. It's basically just using this beautiful embossing folder that comes with the set. Look at this. It's beautiful, and you can emboss and cut at the same time, because but this one I did in pastel colors. You'll be able to do your own. Just use blending brushes and you can make them all different. I had another, I'll put it in the end of the video, but you could use your own colors, make them all different. And I've added a little wink of Stella to the bottom. See how the ocean is sparkly there? And okay, card number 2 is like a sailing race. This one is, I love this one too. Wink of Stella up there and in the water. And it's just really colorful. And number 3, let me see. I've made a easel card. So this one will just set on somebody's desk or dresser like that. And it's got that bokeh paper in the background, which I kind of forget about, but we still have it, and it's a beautiful background for this card. And lastly, I have a fun fold. It's a Dutch gatefold is what it's called, and it just opens like that. And I love the paper, and just, it's fun. There's so many things you could do with this bundle. And you will need to purchase the Sunrise Sailing bundle on your own, okay? So a lot of you might have it already, and this will just give you some ideas. And if you don't, here you'll get when you buy it, it's the stamp set, the dies. They have 3 different sizes of sailboats, so that's really fun. And this beautiful embossing folder. Okay, so for $49, this will include the pre-cut designs to make those 4 cards and the PDF tutorials for you, and then over $25 in Stampin' Up products. And let me show you what I'm sending this month. I'm gonna give you a package of adhesive sheets. These are so handy if you're trying to glue on really small, intricate dies, such as, what did I use them for? I guess mainly, kind of lost it. Like these little birds right there. It's real hard to just put a few dabs of glue, so it's just simpler if you use the adhesive sheets and cut them out. The other thing is one of your favorites is Wink of Stella. I'm gonna stick one of these in your bag, and these are always great on every card to add a little sparkle. So the shipping is included with this, and you need to let me know, RSVP by the 10th of September, and they will ship on the 20th. And I think that's it. I hope you guys all will join me for this class. I think it's really fun, and thanks so much for your time today. Okay, have a great day. Aloha.